What's the meaning of calibration? Calibration. Calibration.
Calibration. Calibration. Calibration refers to the process of adjusting or standardizing a measuring device to ensure it is accurate and consistent in its measurements. This typically involves comparing the readings of the device to known standards or reference values and making adjustments as necessary. The result of calibration is a device that is more reliable and precise in its measurements, which can be crucial for applications such as scientific research, manufacturing, and quality control. By ensuring that measuring instruments are calibrated regularly, users can have confidence in the accuracy and consistency of their measurements, which can help to prevent errors and improve the quality of their work.